Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So if you haven't subscribed already, subscribe down below, helps me a lot, and like the video. So today's video we're going to be installing gas struts. So these ones are broken, and we got new ones here. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So we're going to have a practice run of doing this one first, not recording, so we get an idea of what we're doing, and then we're going to show you how to do it. So hopefully you enjoy the video. Okay, so first you need a 12mm spanner and then a 10mm ratchet, and get a friend to hold it up. So first, take that off. Then do these ones first because you won't scratch it that way. So and then when you're getting close to taking it out, don't fully take it out. So the reason why you don't fully take it out is so it doesn't like drop and damage your car. So you just take them like pretty much both to be like that, and then you hold it and then you just take it out. So that's why you can come around here. Now you get a cleanish rag and you put some water on it and then clean it. So there's going to be a bit of foam if you do it, so don't try and take that off. And this one. So now that that's clean, you're going to take out your new strut.
How much were they?
I think they're like $30, $20, something like that. Yeah. So just the cheapest like eBay ones. Don't go like fully cheap. Go like the. Okay. I'll put the link out. I'll put the screenshot of what it is. So there's the brand if you're interested. So I'll put a link down in the description of what I got if you guys are interested in getting it. So just tighten that up all the way that you can with your fingers because that's the easiest way of doing it, I believe. And then you get your 12mm and tighten it up all the way. Try not to scratch your car because that's never good. Swing it around like this, like that,
Tell me where it goes.
Oh, put it this way always. Don't put it like that because it just doesn't work, and then you'll end up it won't work. So you put it in like that, and put them both in like sort of loosely. So you don't have to do it a second time if it's like a bit angled, and then yeah. So do as much as you can with your fingers and then ratchet it. Okay, so that's done. So yeah, so it actually stays up now, which is pretty good for about $25-ish, I think it was. So leave a link down in the description to which one it is. The battery's disconnected, so I won't fully close it, but yeah, oh, don't you know, jump in there. You know how to do it. Oh yeah, oh that might stuff it up now. Oops, I kind of stuffed it. Don't forget to put this thing in here, like I did, because I'm a drifter. So put that in, make sure you do that, because I set that up. And yeah, so it actually works now. And yeah, pretty happy with the result. Yeah, so if you enjoyed the video and you haven't done it already, or if you're new, like the video, subscribe, and put a comment down below what I should do next to the car. Bye.
Look at my life, feel my pain. When it comes to me and you, we're not the same. This is so far from